I'm going to walk you through how I've built this voice agent. It's about a dental clinic that needs 24/7 customer support, answers of FAQ questions, as well as appointment setting, appointment canceling, and appointment moving. These are one of the functionalities that it has, as well as checking of available slots and suggesting the slots available at the current date. So all of these are functionalities of the voice agent. So if you need anything like that, or if you're struggling with setting up an agent like this one, this video will be for you. It will be very useful to go through all of these functionalities and see how it works. So let's test the voice agent. Let's do a demo, and then we'll go through all the details and how it is set up, as well as what prompts are used. And yeah, so let's go. 1 second, there we go. All right, so let's start. Let's call the agent, or actually, yeah, it is inbound agent, so we're calling this one.
This is the Dental Prime reception desk. My name is Maria. How can I help you?
Hey Maria, how are you doing?
Hi there. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I assist you with your dental needs today?
Well, I'm looking for a dentist who can help me with my missing teeth. I have several missing teeth and I might need dental implants, so I'm looking for a dental clinic that can help. Do you think Dental Prime is the right place?
Absolutely. At Dental Prime, we specialize in full jaw and mouth, which are a fantastic alternative to removable dentures or bridges. Our friendly team in Stratford, London, uses state-of-the-art technology to ensure high quality and affordable treatments. Would you like to know more or book an appointment?
Yeah, so please tell me more about the service first.
At Dentoprime, we offer the fixed teeth in a day procedure, which is perfect for those who have lost most or all of their teeth. This involves placing a set of 6 dental implants in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw, with restorations that are non-removable and look like natural teeth. It's a quick
Perfect.
and effective solution that can restore your smile.
Can you please tell me how
The
much it
fixed teeth in a
costs?
day. Our prices for screwed-in teeth are 70% more affordable than typical UK dental implant costs. For a full mouth restoration with bar-supported implant over dentures, prices start from £6.990 at Dentoprime F3T. Would you like to schedule a free phone consultation to discuss your specific needs and get detailed pricing?
Yeah, let's book an appointment. I'm looking for actually a free consultation. Do you think I can take advantage of something like that?
Yes. We do offer a free phone consultation to discuss your specific dental implant needs and costs. Let's get you booked for that. May I have your name and phone number, please?
Awesome. Yeah, my name is Boris and my phone number is 0887 123 123.
Thank you, Boris. Just to confirm, your phone number is 0887123123. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Great. Thank you, Boris. Now, what date and time would you prefer for your free phone consultation?
Well, I would like to have an appointment tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Hold on a sec. It looks like the slot for tomorrow at 1 p.m. is already taken. Would any of these times work for you instead? January 15th at 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., or 5 p.m.? January 16th or 17th at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., or 5 p.m.?
Actually, I'm available on Friday and any time would work for me.
Perfect. Let's schedule your free phone consultation for this Friday at 1 p.m. Does that work for you, Boris?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Thank you, Boris. Your free phone consultation is scheduled for this Friday at 1 p.m. We'll be in touch to discuss how our teeth in a day procedure can be tailored to your needs. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Great. You're welcome, Boris. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Okay, and now we should see the appointment show up in the calendar. Now the AI is analyzing the conversation, and there we go. So this is the event, and right now the information it has is the name. Now the email is set up at this standard email address because in order to create this event in Google Calendar, you have to have some kind of email. Although it depends on the CRM, basically, if an email is required. Here's the phone number, 123123. It is the correct one. And here we have a summary of the call, like a really short summary. Caller inquired about dental implants for missing teeth and was interested in fixed teeth in a day. Discussed pricing and scheduling a free phone consultation for Friday at 1 p.m. That's really good that the agent was able to know what date it is when I mentioned just Friday. This is due to the functionality of knowing what day is today. And it uses that in order to calculate the relation to my request to have it on Friday to the date today. So that's why we see it. It's scheduled the first Friday, basically. So that's about the scheduling of an appointment. We saw how the agent is able to schedule an appointment, is able to recommend available slots, and is able to check busy slots. So what is left right now, and we also saw some requests, some knowledge base requests. Basically, when I asked about the specific services, it was able to give information about that. The only thing I didn't like is that maybe needs an improvement is the pricing wording, because when I asked for the cost of that service, the fixed teeth in a day, the way that it pronounced the price was not how it should be pronounced. Basically, it said £6 999, and the way it should be pronounced is £6,000 and 1999, or £6,900 and 99 pound. But anyway, this easily can be fixed in the prompt. And now let's move on to the next functionality, which is about canceling and moving appointments. So let's give it a try again.
Hello, this is the Dentaprime reception desk. My name is Maria. How can I help you?
Hi Maria, how are you doing?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I assist you today?
I would like to know if it's possible to cancel or reschedule my appointment.
Absolutely. May I have your name and phone number so I can locate your appointment in our system?
Yeah, so my phone number is 0887 134 134.
Thank you for providing your phone number. Just to confirm, you mentioned 0887134134. Is that correct?
Yep,
Please let me know.
that is correct. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you for confirming. Could you please provide me with your name and let me know whether you'd like to reschedule or cancel your appointment?
So my name is Boris and I'd like to cancel my appointment.
Thank you, Boris. I see that you'd like to cancel your appointment. I'll take care of that for you. If you decide to book another appointment in the future, just let us know. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it.
All right. Boris, your appointment has been cancelled. If you have any other questions about our services or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome, Boris. Have a great day and goodbye.
All right, so the agent just finished the call. Now the transcript is sent for analysis and we should see there we go, the event has been removed. Now the next functionality is rescheduling an appointment, and let's see how this one will go. This one is a bit more complicated. Haven't tested it that much. Let's see how it turns out.
This is the Dentoprime reception desk. My name is Maria. How can I help you?
Hi Maria, I'm doing great. How are you?
Hi there. I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How
Hello?
can I... Hello. How can I assist you today?
I think we have some issues with the connection, but anyway, I'd like to reschedule an appointment that I have.
Of course. I'd be happy to help with that. Can I please have your name and phone number to locate your appointment?
Yeah, so my name is Boris and my phone number is 0887 123 123.
Thank you, Boris. Just to confirm, your phone number is 0887 and 23 100 and 23 123.
No,
Is that correct?
no, that's not correct. My phone number is
Uh,
0887 123 123.
I apologize for the misunderstanding. Let's get this right. Your phone number is 0887 100 and 23 123. Is that correct?
No, that's not correct. My phone number is 0887 123 123. That's all.
I apologize for the misunderstanding, Boris. Let me confirm. Your phone number is 0887 100 and 23 123. Is that correct?
Yes, that is exactly correct.
Great. Thank you for confirming, Boris. What is the current appointment? And when would you like to reschedule it to?
So the appointment is usually scheduled for Friday, but I want it moved for tomorrow. Would that be possible?
Just a sec. Unfortunately, the slot for tomorrow morning is already booked. However, we do have availability tomorrow at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., or 5 p.m. Which time works best for you?
1 p.m. tomorrow is perfect.
Wonderful. Let me confirm. Your appointment has been rescheduled to tomorrow at 1 p.m. We look forward to seeing you at Dentoprime, Boris.
Thank you. Bye bye. All right, and now we should see the appointment being moved from Friday to Wednesday. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so that's all about this agent and how it works. Now let's go quickly through the functionalities. So first, the prompt. It's pretty long. We start with the row. We have the time functionality. We have the phone number functionality. Here it's important to use the phone number if it already exists in the system. So this is implemented right now with the idea to have that functionality later on when we connect the CRM. So we are able to recognize if existing patient is calling and basically have all the information in advance without asking for it. Then we have what is the task of the agent, respond to patient inquiries. That's all about the questions about the services, about the clinic. Appointments, here we give more information about what exactly what functionality should be called. This is the tools part. We'll go check it in a bit. And then we have phone numbers. Here is pretty long explanation about how these phone numbers should be processed, because as we saw, sometimes there might be some misunderstanding, like the AI is hallucinating. It's basically going, it's adding some some additional digits that are not there, are not supposed to be there. Then we have the Dent Prime Services PDF. That's basically the knowledge base that the AI is using. It's all about the services about the clinic. Then we have business information. Now this part could be also added to the knowledge base, basically this PDF. However, sometimes it's better to have it here just so it is more easily accessible. Then we have examples. Examples are important for basically making sure the AI knows exactly what to do, and it's best done through examples. Then we have some additional notes, and yeah, this is basically additional stuff that came up throughout the build. Now that's about the prompt. Here's the knowledge base, and let me see, I don't think there's anything else added to here. Yeah, I'm using British customer support lady voice because it's for London. The clinic is based on London, and this is the most likely the patients that are going to be calling the agent. They are most likely going to be British. So what else is here? I think there's anything else. Timeouts. Oh yeah, this is the hook, but yeah, that's all. Nothing else. All right, so let's go to the tools part. Now here we have this appointment slot availability functionality, which is basically requesting the information about available slots from the calendar, and information that it is pulling is appointment date, appointment time, and current date. The current date is not really necessary, but as we have it in the data, we can as well take it. This was definitely necessary in the beginning, but now as I see it, it's not that necessary. We have that step built in the following steps that come after that. And yeah, and that's it. That's basically the agent. Now all the automations that happen in the backend, I think I will have to cut the video here to show you how they work. But basically, let me see. Oh yeah, there. Here they are. So here we have the check for appointments automation. Now here's something interesting. We first have basically the request that we receive from VAPI, and it is basically, let me zoom in a bit. Am I able to do that? There we go. So we have the webhook, and here we get basically the current date, as we saw in the VAPI UI, the appointment date, and the appointment time. Now here we request, this is basically because we set any time. At least that's what I remember. But anyway, we get then the information processed by ChatGPT, and this one here we can see what results it gave. It basically adds about 3 days or 2 days to the main request. Now ideally we can skip this step. We don't really need GPT or LLM step for this one, but just in case, it's best to use it like this. Then we make I think it's post request to cal.com. Now this one is basically giving us the available slots, and cal.com is the tool used that is connected to the Google Calendar, and it's much easier to do these API requests compared to doing it in Google Calendar. And besides that, you can connect many other calendars to cal.com, which makes it even more easy to do the integration. So I would strongly recommend go for cal.com and add the client calendars to cal.com in order to still have these API functionalities. Then we use again ChatGPT to process the result, and the result, as we saw, is in JavaScript format. And here is the prompt. We basically want to get the result in more of a more easy to read format, and this is how we want it, and this is how the results that is received basically. Now we get that that result and we push it back to VAPI. Now one option is when there is no available slots. In this case we might get basically no available slots, and I mean there will be no available slot for the desired time and date. And that's why we need the call.com result to get us the available slots other than the one that is, as we see, busy. This is the result that we get. These are the available slots, and we basically say slot is busy, choose another slot like, and here is the part from this LLM here. Now what happens if slots are available? There are two options here. If the user asked for any time in a specific date, here we have one response. We basically say the available slots are for that current date, or we say the desired date and time are available for booking. You can proceed basically to book the appointment. And that's about it. That's about the step with checking for appointments. And now if you go to the other step, which is much more complicated, I will not be able to go through everything here. But basically we have, again, we basically have the transcript of the call that is received here. Then we have the intent of the user. This is one very important LLM step where we find the intent, we check, and we get a result. Here we have three filters. If the user wants new appointment, if they want change of the appointment, or they want to cancel the appointment. And this is how it looks like. So we have LLM steps in the beginning to basically pull the data about the desired date of the appointment, to pull the data for, let me see. So here I put everything into these variables. It's good to have them in a separate step, just for the sake of being able to work on that, to select that data later. So we have the name pulled, we have the email, if that's provided, we have the phone number, the language, even the transcript. Here we also get the transcript. Some conversation notes. This is basically the summary that is used later in the Google Calendar event. The service that is requested, that is used in the header. The intent, we also have that. We have that pulled from the data as well. We have it pulled already in the first step. Start date is basically the appointment date. This is original date in case the appointment is rescheduled, in new appointment date of the rescheduled event. And here on the bottom, I believe we also have cancellation date. Let me see. Core intent. Original start date. Okay. Never mind. Here we have something else that is, oh yeah, there we go. Appointment date cancelled. Basically cancellation date. And this is because the step here requires that. Now, here we have some additional step which is important, the caller phone number. And this is needed in order to have basically the phone number formatted correctly in order to be used later on for searching for the appointment. And this is the only identifier I could come up with in order to find existing bookings, existing appointments in terms of appointments that the user wants cancelled or rescheduled. This is the only identifier that is easy to process, easy to explain from the caller, from the user, instead of, for example, email address or searching by first and second name, that would create a lot of errors. So I don't think there's anything other than the phone number that can be used in this case, just to make sure that indeed it works. The phone number right now is the only solution. So that's it, and then we have all the data pushed into a Google Sheet, and here we can also see it, but that's just more of a backup. Here we can see all the data as well. The transcript is also added. Here's how the transcript looks like. It can be analyzed later if we need to debug something or to fix some changes. Here we have the summary that is also useful, but it is in the backlog. So that's about it. That's the backend of the agent. It should be utilized pretty well from any dental clinic. It does a lot. Definitely it should be used when the clinic is not working in their off work hours. So that's one use case. So if you're looking to do something similar, check out the links in the description or check the videos in the YouTube channel, as there are also other tutorials and more insights. So I hope this was useful. It was interesting for me to build that demo. I'll continue doing similar things in different languages. So look forward for that. Subscribe and talk to you soon. Bye bye.